I want to give you a tour of my Automata and show you some of the features I think that were helpful in designing it. So first I did my art. This is on cardstock, so it's not actually regular paper. I have the bear's hand, and the honey pot. And then when we look at the top, the bear is actually permanently attached, and the bear's arm moves, and then the honey pot moves. When I assembled the Project Through the Way box, I did notice something a little funky on it, and you can see I had to make a choice here on how I wanted to attach the back to it, because the back wasn't long enough to do the tops, and if I did the sides, then this end would stick out, and I decided I want the front end to look a little more respectable. So the back is, I made the box first, hot glued, and then attached the back. From the side, you can see, the bear's permanently attached, and then the two movements. I did draw lines on top, so I could indicate exactly, what features we're going with. In terms of the guts of the box, I did find this corrugated plastic was really good to work with. I did do some cutting with knife initially, but I found scissors actually worked fine for it. So scissors were my deal. I made a little end cap here. This is glued on, so it doesn't go all the way. The other side is mobile. I was gonna have a handle, and I decided I didn't want to. So inside, if we look, I did do 2 pair gears, and I did use the square. I did use a knife to cut the centers of the pair gears out, and they're remaining very stable, so they're not slipping at all. And then also on the top, to the followers, I did add this little base piece, so it could ride on the base piece. So when it goes down, it hits the base piece. So one of the things I did notice that I didn't do well on initially is my pair gears were not rounded around the top well. They were a little too teardrop pointy shaped, so that was not as good. I'll show you how it works now. It doesn't work perfectly. Okay, here goes. We're going to try to run this thing. It is going to catch, so it's not running perfectly, so I'll do my best to make it grow, but you can see the gears go, and the honey pot goes up, and the bear eats the honey. Ooh, and it's twisting a little, so we'll turn that back the other way. Here we go. Bear's hand goes down. The honey goes up. I got to guide it just a little bit. It's not perfect, but, whoops, got stuck on the foot. And the honey goes down. And the bear hand goes up, and there you go.